it's me, Tess, with Tess Lives Yarn, and as you guys can tell, I am not in the yarn room. I am actually in Minnesota at the Mayo Clinic, and yeah, they're taking really good care of me, so that's all good, and just to let you know, I do have my to-go bag, right? I've got a little knitting project here, and I'm also got my crochet project. I'm working on a pattern by MJ off the hook. This is the yoke. I just started it, so yeah, I'm super happy with this so far. It's called the Snowy Day Sweater, I think, but that's what I've been working on. And you know I never leave home without my to-go bag, right? That's right. But the biggest thing that I wanted to talk about today was not really crochet stuff. It is, your fingers are in the way, honey. It's more about Superman's filming, everybody. He's doing his best here. But the thing that I wanted to talk more about was all of you guys, and just how great you guys have been, and how you have been there for me and have really lifted me up during this really hard time, because this has been hard, not just on me but on my family too. You know, Superman and the kids, because you know, when you're going through health issues, it's not just you, it's the people who care about you and love you too. So with that all said, I want to thank all of you for being here, for watching my videos, especially right now, because I'm not able to make the videos that I normally do. So you guys watching my videos and my older videos really helps a lot, and I appreciate that. And also the new people that have subscribed, that have found me through YouTube. Thank you so much for subscribing. We're over 12,000 subscribers now, which, poof, you know, just blows my mind, right? I never thought I'd have that many subscribers. And yeah, my private private membership people to my channel, I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly because my brain's fuzzy, but yeah, thank you for being private channel members. I so appreciate that. And I also want to say that I appreciate everybody's kindness and all of the comments. I have read them all, even though I have not responded to very many because I just don't have the energy to do that right now. But I want you to know that I have read your comment. If you left me a comment, I have read it. I always read the comments, and they just really lift me up every single day. If I need a little boost, I go on YouTube and I look at some of my comments, because you guys are amazing. You have always been amazing, and you continue to be amazing. And I want you to know too, those of you who have shared your own stories of battling cancer, or your loved ones battling cancer, I just want you to know that I really appreciate those stories, and I appreciate your honesty, and I appreciate your courage and strength, and giving me hope with every comment. And that means so much, and I feel very, very blessed to have each and every one of you here. And I just feel like you're all out there rooting for me, and hoping that this all turns out well for me, and I know you all are, and I appreciate that. And like I said, for all of you that are, you know, walking the long road with some sort of cancer or whatever, I want you to know that I am rooting for you too, because several of you have written me and told me that you have some sort of cancer, maybe not pancreatic, but breast cancer or some other kind of cancer, and you know, it just touches me. And I'm rooting for all of you and praying for you too. And for all of you out there who aren't going through this, I know that you must be empathetic, because you've been so kind to me. You've given me such wonderful comments, and I just want you all to know how much I appreciate it and how much gratitude I have. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.